Welcome back to Emilee's Paper Caper. I've been working a lot with my house mouse stamps, so I've been cleaning my stamps a lot as well, and I thought you might like to know what I use to clean my stamps. I used to buy stamp cleaner, but I decided, why do that when I have the items I need to clean stamps already on hand? You can make your own stamp cleaner. Just get a spray bottle. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of glycerin. This can be hard to find sometimes. I got this on Amazon. I will link to it down in the description. 4 ounces was less than $4. Baby shampoo or baby wash. You'll need just 1 teaspoon of the baby wash, and you will need a cup of distilled water. Mix the 1 cup distilled water, 2 tablespoons of glycerin, 1 teaspoon of the baby wash in your spray bottle. Shake it up. And I'm going to make a little label here for my cleaner, and I'm going to put the recipe so that when I run out, I will know what's inside here. There we go. I just spritz the cleaner and then scrub them on my trusty dusty stamp cleaner. Now this stamp is gonna stay stained because it's just been used a lot, and that's okay. But when I go to use these stamps, they're gonna be ready to go. These have been in storage in photo boxes for quite some time, so I'm just gonna give them a quick clean. And I've found that cleaning these stamps that haven't been used for quite some time, it really helps to get a nice image. Let me know if you have any questions about my stamp cleaner recipe. Keep on scrapping, stamping, and paper crafting.